be gone, gone. Oh, spirit, send you.
Hey garden friends, welcome to another episode of AJ's Green Thumb. So I'm gonna go ahead and finally plant up this circle garden area. All of the holes, I've taken out as much roots as I possibly could, and I just wheeled in some old recyclable soil that I had in pots and raised beds. It's easy to replenish the soil just by putting some compost in it and a few amendments like some earthworm castings and such.
We share the love as we get older. Maybe we change.
So obviously the boxwood have already been installed. Most of the sedum have been installed. So I'm gonna just go ahead and wrap that up real quick. Lay down my cardboard, which is a form of sheet mulching, and then go ahead and lay some thick mulch on top of the cardboard and button that job up.
Set the tone, a bottle of red wine and pheromones. The conversation flows, a couple of hours, see how it goes. I really trust my senses, catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing, you seem to have it all. In loving before anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation now.
All right, garden friends, real quick, I'm gonna show you guys a brief overview on sheet mulching. And sheet mulching is just using cardboard, newspaper, magazines, anything that's paper-based that will biodegrade. I take a box, I flatten the box. Sometimes I double it up depending on the terrain, depending on what is underneath. If it's really tough weeds, I'll double it up. But if it's just simply grass, like right here, I'll go with a single layer, like so. All right, so since I have my plants pretty close together, what I'll do is just simply cut this up into smaller pieces. All right. So I also happen to use landscape staples or stakes to hold down the cardboard. And then on top of that, I mulch heavily to keep the cardboard weighted down.
Didn't drink, so I don't get it. I must be high, but I'm just guessing. It's something in the way you talk. I'll show my hand, let's play it out. Putting my heart up on the table. I really trust my senses. Catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing. You seem to have it all. In love enough for anything, emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the rest is up to you.
All right, so now we covered about, I don't know, 99.99%. Time to bring on the mulch.
Time for me and you, get together, you and I. We vibing like for me and you, get you over, treat you right. We vibing like kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you.
All right, all the mulch has been laid, so let's go ahead and kind of clean up the area.
Done with second guessing, you seem to have it all. In loving the for anything, emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the rest is up to you. Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you, get you over, treat you right. We vibing like kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you, get together, you and I. We vibing like
All right, garden friends, I can officially say that I've put this job to bed. See you in the next episode. AJ's Green Thumb.
Feeling kinda tipsy, didn't drink, so I don't get it. I must be high, but I'm just guessing. It's something in the way you talk. I'll show my hand, let's play it out. Putting my heart up on the table. I really trust my senses. Catch me if I fall. So So done with second guessing, you seem to have it all. In love enough for anything, emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the rest is up to you.